Now let's establish the real problem that we're having with this vehicle. Only 25,000 miles. I just had the brakes changed. On top of this little mix-up with them saying it can't read. Apparently it can. They just didn't do it right. I have a brake problem. Brake check antifreeze. Yeah. As you can see. Check brake pop system. So don't know what that's up, but they recently just did my inner and my outer tie rod. They recently just changed the inner and the outer tie rod. Because they said that was causing the noise that I was having. Originally, I brought it in the dealership because it had noise. Look at all this rust that this truck has. It's only 2 years old. The brake system, I checked it in. It's full, as you can see. Just want to document this, so I take it to the dealership in the morning. And they ain't gonna pull this mess off. It won't communicate. I'm gonna try again, just to make sure, because they need to be able to troubleshoot this. And they say they can't troubleshoot it, so turn the key. I'm gonna power this thing off. Power it back on. It's ready. Now, I'm just gonna simply plug this in. Auto Lincoln. 100%. Now, why can't their units troubleshoot it? Now, I don't have a fancy unit that can troubleshoot the ABS brake systems and stuff like that, but oh, I do. ABS looks like so I do have a way to troubleshoot it, but let's see. Let's see what it comes up with. I didn't know that I could test it, but let's see what it comes up with. Alright, let's see. So now it's unable. Okay. So now we see the error code they're getting. But that can't be because of my connection like they claim. Alright. Well guys, if y'all know anything that can help me, because the dealership's trying to blame me because they said that I plugged a T-Mobile mile tracker, the thing that is called sync up, into it, and that's what, and this thing right here is damaged. They're saying this thing is damaged. Looks pretty darn good condition to me. Goes in with no problem. Reads it with no problem. But then go into the ABS, that's when we have, it won't let us read it. So now we know what they was talking about. Or maybe the engine needs to be running. Let's do this again. Oh, there we go. So there we have it. Now we know why they can't read it. Because they need to turn on the actual engine to troubleshoot it when it comes to the ABS. Which we didn't have this problem before. We didn't have ABS problems. But they needed to be able to troubleshoot it. So now I'm going to take it back to the dealership and explain to them. Maybe they just need to read up on how to plug their units in. Now it's saying unable to communication out, unable to establish connection. Well, if there's anything y'all can be able to help me figure out, I appreciate it, because now it's saying unable to establish a connection. And we got all these lights on. We got brake, parking. So something seriously wrong with this vehicle, and they won't fix it unless I have a $4,000 wire harness job done. They want to charge me all this money, $4,000, to replace this entire thing, and then they will troubleshoot it. But I don't know. Well, thanks guys for your help. If you know anything, please help me. Don't criticize me for my lack of knowledge. I know YouTube can be very cruel. I'm reaching out for help. So if anybody have any answers, please let me know.